All right, in the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Kris Crocker, we are talking ice storm, but not us, elsewhere.
A big swath of elsewhere. Yes, major ice storm hitting a good portion of the country. It's the subject of tonight's forecast focus, and the pictures to prove it from McAlester, Oklahoma. I know these bring back unpleasant memories of our own ice storm. Highway crews are struggling to keep up with slippery roads caused by a storm that spread ice and snow all the way from the southern plains to the mid-Atlantic. At least 13 deaths are blamed on the weather. In parts of Arkansas and Oklahoma, the ice is 3 inches thick. Tens of thousands of homes and businesses are without power, including at least 85,000 in Arkansas, 40,000 in Kentucky. The storm is now threatening to barrel into New England. The New Hampshire legislature has canceled tomorrow's sessions because up to 15 inches of snow is in the forecast. A wintry cocoon being spun here on our national satellite and radar. And all along this area in pink is where we find not only the rain-snow mix, but that ice from parts of northern Texas all the way through the mid-Atlantic. We have ice storm warnings, winter storm warnings north, where we're finding the heavy snow falling, and that is going to continue to make its way to the north and east. Now, the process at work is a little bit different than the icy roads that we saw earlier today around the Post Falls area. It's when warm air overrides cold air at the surface. Precipitation falls as snow, melts into rain, and then falls into that area of below freezing temperatures and turns into freezing rain, and that is what is happening along that swath from Texas all the way to the mid-Atlantic. What we have going on is a bit different. Our temperature profile stays below freezing all the way up into the troposphere. We are seeing snow, but also pockets of freezing drizzle, and that is where we have supercooled water droplets that freeze on contact. These supercooled water droplets can stay in liquid form all the way to 40 below. It doesn't get anywhere near as thick as freezing rain, but the problems on the roadways can be just as severe. The snow and pockets of freezing drizzle do continue tonight, as mainly in the central panhandle and down into the Idaho and Washington Palouse. Our temperatures currently are in the mid-20s in Spokane and Coeur d'Alene. That represents a warm-up from yesterday, but still close to 10 degrees below average. It's 24 now in Moscow, Pullman, 28 degrees in Lewiston. A winter weather advisory continues through tomorrow morning for the area shaded in white on your screen. 3 to 7 inches snow total for the central panhandle valleys, the Silver Valley, 1 to 3 in the Idaho and Washington Palouse. Those higher totals mainly in the Washington Palouse, north and east of the Moscow area. Any snow that we see elsewhere will be very light, just a slight chance of snow showers over tonight. In fact, we're going to start to see a little bit of sunshine as this system quickly moves off to the south and east. We're left in a northwesterly flow that is going to favor mainly mountain precipitation for the next few days. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. In Spokane, dry tomorrow. Still a chance of lingering snow showers in the northeast mountains and North Idaho. That northwesterly flow will bring more weak systems to the region, but again, mainly mountain snow, with that only a 20% chance of snow in the valleys for Thursday, Saturday, and Monday. A little bit of a warming trend as we head into next work week. And boy, the scenes from that ice storm are scary.
They are.
Looks like video from our place.
Yes, our big ice storm.
Yeah.